All right, so you guys just got yourself a new flat grill. You're gonna need to season it, and I bought this for one reason: to get this going. This is a brand new grill. It was sponsored by Lowe's. We're gonna go ahead and set it up today and see how well it works. But before I start, I need to read the instructions. If you're not familiar how to use this, there's a barcode in the back that will take you to instructions how to use this. Now, this is created for this particular flat grill, but you can use it for anything that you have in the house, even iron grills, so you can protect it from rust and then get that flavor in, so you can start cooking. Now, out of the box, my recommendation is don't start cooking. You got to prepare this. Make sure you have the proper tools and stuff. So this is one thing that I got for this particular reason. We're gonna put about 3 or 4 layers on it, and there's 3 or 4 different ways of setting this up. There, I've seen where people turn them off, turn them on, turn them off, turn them off. We're just gonna constantly keep it on and keep adding the layers slowly, right? High, and then we turn it on to medium. So that's what we're gonna do with this one. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna open it up. It's more like a seasoning with actual grease, if you guys can see. It's made especially for these kind of grills to protect and keep it long and give you a nice good flavor on your food. Sometimes when we actually scrub too hard, we're going to remove some of the grill, some of the actual seasonings. I would suggest to set up these protected layers. All right, this is going to keep your grill from rusting and other things too. So some people like to remove this completely and put them away. If it stays there for quite a while, it's going to rust. So you want to make sure you have this on your grill, especially an investment of this much money on these kind of particular products. You want to make sure they last forever in your lifetime. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how it works. All right, out of the box, when you get your grill, start cleaning it up. All right, we're going to put a little bit of soap, water, run a little bit out, just to see. Get your cleaning materials ready, your sponges. All right, we're gonna continue to dry it out first manually. And then now we're gonna start try to get lint-free towels to do this, so you don't have to leave anything in the grill itself first. We're gonna start preparing it now. Grab your towels, all right? And you need a towel. You need quite a few towels, so grab yourself a nice set of towels. Not too high right now. We're gonna minimize it to make sure it's minimal. The first layer first, so it gives us time to spread this thing out, and then we put it high, right? Grab your spoonful of sugar. Let the medicine go down. Don't let it go in. Make sure it spreads all the way out first. Soak it up everywhere. It's a little hot, but it's okay. It does the job. It's not enough. It's just a thin, fine layer right now that we want to burn in first, all right? What I like to do is close it up once in a while, kill any kind of bacteria or germs or anything out of the box, and also keep it dust free. So I like to close it up once in a while, let it smoke up, let it build its smoke too on the second layer too. So don't forget about the top too. We're gonna start another layer, and the other layer I'm gonna add on the corner. Let it go on the corner. So grab one towel, let it melt a little bit, send it to the next corner. Let it melt a little bit there. Send it to the next corner. Let it melt there just a little bit. Send it to the last corner. Don't let it go there. There it goes. So let it melt, and then we start moving it around, spreading it around slowly, up and down if you want, layers, however you want. Just make sure that the most important parts you miss the first time, you don't miss the second time. All right. This is gonna get intense and hot, but you want it to get that layer going, especially if you're working on uneven pavement. All right, you're gonna notice that the oil is gonna go on one area instead of the other. You want to make sure you even it out properly. All right, so we're looking at that. We need to burn out a little bit more in the back, so I'm going to concentrate on the back. This last layer, we're going to add a little bit more. If I see I'm not satisfied, I'll do another layer just in case I'm probably going to do another one. But so far, I'm looking at the results. They're looking up beautifully. Unfortunately, the back is where I have to concentrate more of the actual seasoning. If you don't see it changing color, that's where you have to concentrate. It's very simple. Just make sure it darkens up and everywhere and evens out, and you'll see the difference on it. You'll taste the difference also too. So let's go ahead and do the back more after this layer is done. So far, I've been very pleased with it, and we're working on it. Look at this.